Hello everyone, I am Manav Dureja and today I am going to show you all how we all can make gold from scrap and how we can contribute towards making our earth clean and green through a simple habit. Mass production of plastics, which began just 6 decades ago, has accelerated so rapidly, most of which is used for packing disposable plastic products that ends as trash. Plastic takes more than 400 years to degrade. This is mostly harmful for our environment and the birds and the animals that die due to intake of plastic bits and substances while finding food in the garbage on land or around the seashore. About 8 million metric tons of plastic are thrown away into the ocean annually. Of those, 236,000 tons are microplastics, tiny pieces of broken down plastics even smaller than your fingernail. Currently, the global plastic production around the world is 400 million metric tons annually. A whopping of 91% of plastic isn't recycled. India itself generates 15,000 tons of plastic every day. Plastic is used in our daily lives ranging from eyeglasses to carry bags, from chairs to food containers, and has replaced many wooden, metal and glass products. It is used in many industries just because it is cheap. I have a question for everyone. Is it really cheaper than the lives of millions of species dying worldwide just because of usage of plastic? Henderson Island, a tiny non-habitated landmass in the eastern South Pacific, with no habitated land within 5,000 km of radius, has been found by the marine scientists to have the highest density of anthropogenic debris recorded anywhere in the world, with 99.8% of the pollution plastic. Nearly 38 million pieces of plastic were estimated to be on the Henderson by the researchers from the University of Tasmania and the UK's Royal Society for the Protection of Birds, weighing a combined 17.6 tons. Studies conducted prove that use of plastic products have deteriorated health of humans and have led to be the cause of cancer and many other fatal diseases around the world in the recent time. To conduct this activity, we need to have some waste plastic bottles, some stationery stuff, some decorative material and soil rich in nutrients. Let's begin.
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। तुझे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला 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 ला।
Finally, after 5 days of sowing the melon seeds, it can be seen that the plants have started growing above the soil level. Here I have used a thermocol sheet as a base for keeping these pots, which thermocol itself comes under the category of styrofoam plastics, and I have written some slogans on it. Before that, I would suggest that we can keep these pots anywhere we like, on the terrace, in our balconies or inside our homes, wherever we can keep it, and it looks very attractive, to be honest. And I have written some slogans on it. Let me read. Let's join hands for a cleaner and a greener world. Earth Day is every day, not just on 22nd April. Every species has the right to exist. Are we letting this happen? Why do we only talk and don't take any action? A mother rears many children. Can't the children rear a single mother Earth? And we can post such stuff on the social media so that we can spread awareness. And I would like to say that Our earth is our mother. Let's protect her. Therefore, we should fulfill our obligation to reduce, reuse, and recycle plastic to save our Mother Earth and to provide a clean and green environment for every species. Thanks for watching.